Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Land Rover Discovery. First, take a moment to get comfortable in the driver's seat. Adjust your seat and mirrors for the best possible view. Familiarize yourself with the primary controls, the steering wheel, accelerator, brake pedals, and the gear selector. Insert the key or press the start button to power on the vehicle. Ensure the parking brake is engaged before shifting into drive. This foundational step ensures a safe and confident start to your journey. The Land Rover Discovery offers several driving modes to tackle diverse terrains. Its terrain response system allows you to optimize vehicle settings for conditions like grass, gravel, snow, mud, ruts, or sand. Simply rotate the dial or press the button to select the most suitable mode. For challenging downhill sections, engage hill descent control, which automatically maintains a steady, slow speed, allowing you to focus on steering. Understanding these modes is key to maximizing your vehicle's capabilities. When venturing off-road, a slow and controlled approach is paramount. Always assess the terrain ahead and maintain a steady pace. Be mindful of your vehicle's approach, departure, and breakover angles to avoid scraping the undercarriage. For steep climbs or descents, engage the low-range gears, which provide significantly increased torque and enhanced control. This allows the vehicle to crawl over obstacles with greater precision, making your off-road experience safer and more enjoyable. Your Land Rover Discovery is equipped with advanced features designed for both convenience and safety. Take time to explore the infotainment system, which includes navigation and media controls. Familiarize yourself with driver assistance technologies like adaptive cruise control or lane keeping assist. Always practice defensive driving, maintaining a safe distance from other vehicles. Remember to perform routine checks, such as tire pressure and fluid levels, to ensure your vehicle remains in top condition for every adventure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.